Dive into Charlie Munger's Century of Wisdom, where timeless insights reshape minds and fortunes, crafting a legacy of brilliance. Welcome back to No Money, everyone. Today we're diving deep into the timeless wisdom of the legendary Charlie Munger, a man whose insights have left an indelible mark on the worlds of business, investing, and life. Munger recently left us just weeks before celebrating his 100th birthday, but his teachings continue to inspire and guide us. In this video, we will share 7 lessons from this remarkable individual. So let's embark on a journey through the mind of Charlie Munger. Lesson 1. The simple yet powerful investment philosophy. Charlie Munger's investment philosophy can be distilled into a few key principles. He emphasized the importance of understanding what you invest in and avoiding the noise of the market. In Munger's words, we have to deal with things that we're capable of understanding. Beyond that, he advocated for investing in businesses with intrinsic characteristics that provide a durable competitive advantage. Add in a management team with integrity and talent, and, of course, a reasonable price. It's a simple yet powerful set of ideas that has stood the test of time. Lesson 2. The golden rule of life. Munger's belief in the golden rule of life. The safest way to try and get what you want is to try and deserve what you want, underscores a profound philosophy. According to him, this principle isn't just about financial success, but extends to the very core of our existence. Living with integrity, patience, and rationality, Munger argued, sets the stage for a life of fulfillment and accomplishment. He contended that those who embody this principle not only achieve success in terms of wealth, but also gain the respect and trust of those around them. Munger's wisdom echoes the age-old sentiment of treating others how you want to be treated. He believed that individuals who live by this ethos tend to create a positive ripple effect, garnering not only financial rewards, but also the immeasurable benefits of a reputation built on honesty and fairness. In a world often fraught with shortcuts and ethical compromises, Munger's emphasis on the golden rule serves as a guiding light for those seeking not only material success, but also a life rich in meaningful relationships and genuine respect. Lesson 3. The value of deserved trust. Charlie Munger considered deserved trust as one of life's most valuable assets. Drawing on personal experiences, he shared a compelling story about his father's best friend, Grant McFadden, who epitomized the idea that being honest and trustworthy pays off. Munger's father, a lawyer, chose to work for McFadden over a more lucrative but morally questionable client. The lesson here is clear. Integrity and trustworthiness are not just commendable virtues. They are invaluable assets in both professional and personal realms. Munger argued that the pleasure derived from deserved trust goes beyond monetary gains. It extends to earning the respect, admiration, and trust of those you interact with. He maintained that cultivating trust is a lifelong investment, one that pays dividends in the form of enduring relationships and a positive reputation. In a world where shortcuts and questionable practices are prevalent, Munger's emphasis on the value of deserved trust serves as a timeless reminder that integrity is not just the right path, it's the most rewarding one. Lesson 4. The importance of preparation. In Munger's view, preparation is the linchpin to seizing life's opportunities. He harked back to the lessons of his grandfather, a pioneer in Iowa who achieved remarkable success through intelligence, aggressiveness, and preparation. Munger's grandfather believed that living well involved preparing oneself for the few critical opportunities that life presents. This philosophy, instilled in Munger from a young age, became a guiding principle in his life. Munger recognized early on that significant opportunities would be rare, and the key was not to gather knowledge indiscriminately, but to be prepared to pounce on the right opportunities when they arose. Preparation, he argued, is not just about accumulating facts, but developing a mindset that can discern and capitalize on those pivotal moments. Munger's life journey stands as a testament to the transformative power of preparation, a lesson that encourages us to equip ourselves with the tools necessary to make the most of life's fleeting opportunities. Lesson 5. The Pitfalls of Overthinking. Charlie Munger cautioned against the common trap of overthinking, particularly prevalent in the world of investments. He contrasted his approach with that of many in the investment world who believe in studying a vast array of subjects. Munger argued that overanalyzing and attempting to outsmart the market by analyzing countless variables often leads to subpar results. Instead, he advocated for a focused approach, doing less but doing it better. Munger cited an example where a group of highly educated individuals failed to understand the simplicity behind a seemingly plausible investment strategy. The lesson here is clear. Simplicity in understanding and execution is often more effective than complex, convoluted approaches. Munger's philosophy challenges the conventional belief that more information equates to better decision-making. In a world inundated with data, Munger's advice prompts us to cut through the noise and embrace the clarity that simplicity affords. Lesson 6. Rationality on simple matters. One of Charlie Munger's fascinating observations was that even intelligent people struggle to be rational on simple matters. He cited an example where a group of highly educated individuals failed to understand the simplicity behind a seemingly plausible investment strategy. Munger used this example to highlight the inherent difficulty in being rational, even when faced with straightforward situations. The incident illustrated how intelligent individuals, despite being properly educated, can overlook the obvious and succumb to irrationality. Munger's point is a sobering reminder that human psychology, with all its complexities, often interferes with the ability to make rational decisions. This lesson challenges us to reflect on our own tendencies and biases, urging us to cultivate a mindset that embraces simplicity and rationality, even in the face of seemingly straightforward choices. Lesson 7. The High Road of Integrity. Charlie Munger's seventh crucial lesson revolves around the high road of integrity, a path less traveled, but one that leads to enduring success. He often quoted Warren Buffett's saying, "You take the high road, it's never crowded." In a world where shortcuts and questionable practices abound, Munger believed that adhering to a code of ethics and moral principles not only brings personal satisfaction, but also distinguishes individuals in the long run. Munger championed the idea that taking the high road is not just a moral stance but a strategic one. He argued that individuals and businesses built on integrity and ethical practices not only weather storms better, but also attract lasting success. Munger's emphasis on the high road serves as a powerful reminder that success achieved at the expense of principles is fleeting, while a reputation built on integrity is an enduring asset. Charlie Munger's century of wisdom provides us with timeless lessons that extend far beyond the realm of investing. Whether it's the simplicity of a well-thought-out investment philosophy, the golden rule of life, the value of deserved trust, the importance of preparation, or the pitfalls of overthinking, Munger's insights offer a blueprint for a successful and fulfilling life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to No Money, and hit the notification bell for more content. And as always, feel free to share your favorite Charlie Munger lesson in the comments below. Until next time, stay wise and stay inspired.